Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Another episode, another project. It's cold outside, so sorry for the noise. It's around minus 18 outside, so I got a heater. I turned it off. It's loud. It's good because 10 minutes and warm inside, so I can work on the car in comfort. So I got a lot of comments and some personal advices that I should make video with full English, because I made videos with my native language, with Hungarian, and I use English subtitles because I want to collect the Hungarian guys, the Hungarian car guys on YouTube. That was my plan. But we put a lot of energy, a lot of money, a lot of work. It's really hard work to make a video, make an episode, and it's better than better. But sometimes if you got 500 or 1000 views after 3 or 4 days job, it's not to inspire. So I need bigger public. So I try to make these videos and let's see what happened. So this is my second bigger project. It's not a 5 years plan. I just wanna refresh this girl because it's a really good car. It's a 1995 Mitsubishi Eclipse GSX with turbo engine, all-wheel drive. It's a really good car. And finally I found another garage, so I could move the bastard over there safe and sound, and after 2 months park outside, bring it inside and I can start the work. I don't know too much about this car, unfortunately. The previous owner, so I bought this car from the previous owner car seat for a few months, and the guy didn't know the previous owner who started to rebuild the car. By the way, he did a great job, and the car got many high quality parts, and I think the guy loved this car, but I can find the guy. I need some information about the engine because I don't know anything. I don't know what was planned. I don't know what is inside. It runs weird and I don't know why. I hope it just need a tune with computer or a new ECU or fresh gasoline, I don't know. Or there are some terrible electronical job inside, so maybe some short circuits, some crazy things, and that's it. But let's see. But definitely it was a good deal, and I hope she will be more grateful than the buster, because it was sucks. She fucked me every week. Okay, I turn the heater back because it's cold, and let's see the first steps. I have a list. Yeah, I have a schedule everywhere. This is for the bastard, and this is for GSX. Yeah, the bastard is still not finished, but no, I need to work on this because I wanna put this on the street instead of the Toyota, so that's why I park with this inside now. So the list is what I have to do. First thing is the electronical and the engine, like compression. Yeah, I need to check the compression of the 4-cylinder. I wanna change the old oils, the engine, the transition, the differential. I need to check the timing, replace the spark plugs. I need to check the alternator. Yeah, after the 2 months sucking, it has no charge neither, so sucks again. I need to check wires because the short circuits. When I turn on the headlights, the horn is turned on, and the headlights too, and if I turn off, everything is still works. So I check the fuse. I need to check the gas tank because it sits for the longer time, and I don't know how is the fuel. I need fresh fuel for the engine. I wanna lift up the coilovers because, as you can see, it's low as fuck, and I wanna buy a bigger wheels. I need to check the rust. It's a good condition because the guy, the previous owner, first or second owner, repaint. Like I said, repaint the whole body, the engine bay, the inside the door, the front, everything. So he did a great job, but something's happened on this side because it's peeling. I think I will talk with Dave, with my painter, and if you get a new paint job, new white color, same color, but it needs refresh. I checked the door lock. I just sprayed with WD-40, and the wing. The wing is broken. The two holes for the screw are broken, so I think I will buy a new one because I don't wanna lost it at 200 miles per hour. But first I need to, let me show, I need to repair this hatch too. It's average problem with the Eclipse hatch. Every Eclipse damaged here because the OEM seal is a bad quality too, and the water is stand here and it can start rusty. I need to remove the glass and I need to sand it and check how bad it is, because hopefully it needs just a deep sand and some refresh, because I don't wanna weld it and replace this whole section, but I will see after I take the glass out. Yeah, the guy said the AC works, but there is no belt. I ordered already, so hopefully it's just a belt and it needs to refill with gas. The drive shaft, the axle shaft on this side is terrible. It's fucked up, so I ordered a new one. I got already, so it's gonna be good. By the way, I checked the oils, the engine oils too, and everything's fine. So I think the previous owner wasn't an asshole, and they took care of this car, so it's not flush, it's savable, and we will save it soon.
It's all sadness.
Wow. Wow. The fastest way, the fastest time to remove a fucking axle shaft. Last time I spent 2 hours. 2 hours with it. No, it was 30 seconds. Yeah, the transmission oil looks bad, and I think it's not enough for the transmission. Maybe I can help somebody. I use this tool, push between the axle shaft and the transmission, but be careful and try to not damage the axle shaft seal in the transmission. Yeah, so like I said, I don't know the car's history, so I don't know how about the ECU. We try to figure out why is the idle is so weird and why I can't read the OBD with the computer, and why they cut a lot of connector, why they deleted the oxygen sensors, the catalytic converter. So I make video for some Hungarian group, and we analyze the things and the parts, and it looks like the stock ECU is tuned. So they reprogram and delete the oxygen sensors. I can see any warning lights, and I don't understand what's happening with the car. So the EGR system is deleted as well. So yeah, first I want to check this ECU, because I think the previous owner installed the famous DSM link chip into this. Let's see. No. So I can see ECM chip. So they tuned and modified. Probably they modified the stock apron. So that's why I can see the lights, and that's why they deleted a lot of things. So yeah, I need a tuner guy. I need a ECM, because this is the best choice for this second generation DSM. I heard a lot of cool things about that, and everybody said it worth it. So let's see. I think I buy one, and after we tune and refresh this beast, I find some bad things, and yeah, like there is the charcoal canister. As you can see, the whole EGR system deleted. No oxygen sensor. I will delete this extra temperature sensor. The power steering is leaking. Yeah, I found some electrical issue. I will fix it. The coolant overflow tank is missing. We found out that's the plug for this. There are some bad job here. I don't know what is that. Comment below if you know something. There is a cut connector. I think this is the plug for the AC cooler. This one, and that's why they made this beautiful job here. So yeah, there is so much stuff to do. Okay guys, you see that? That's what I said every videos. That's what I said always. I bought two beds for the alternator and for the AC. It's two circle. There are three beds. It's two circle. But I go everywhere. Everybody talk shit. Like, you see that? It says it's for alternator. That's the old one. See that? It's not the same size. You know why? Because it's not for alternator. This part number said it's for the AC. And this doesn't show anything. But if you check this number, it says this one is for alternator. And you can check this. The size is same. That's why I trust nobody, and that's why I do double check every time. Okay. Alright. The alternator is on. Just a plug. Just the last plug. Everything good. Everything installed. This one is a little bit stupid, but I think I will make a little holder here like this, because it's dangerous and stupid. Yeah, so maintenance a turbo engine is a little bit more difficult because it's crowded everywhere, everything tight. But yeah, it looks good, it looks fresh. So we only need this one. We need a fuse for the alternator, and check this out. Don't call me, guys. I hate talking on the phone. I'm busy. Text me, please. Don't worry, guys. Just the bottle is a single mass liquid. I put back power steering fluid. Okay, let's see. We solved the problem, the charging problem, or not. We got boom or not. Okay. Haha. Something sounds bad. It's too tight. Okay, I put back the alternator and fuse but I checked this, there is no charging. It's 11.6 and I have a check engine. And it's crazy because it's cold start, but it runs 3000 RPM. It's loud as fuck and it's warming crazy. But now I need a guy with real OBD scanner, or I need a tune guy, because I don't wanna start again searching the charging issue and sucks for 2 months again. I don't know what's happening with this car and with the computer, but it sucks. And I checked the dash too, and you can see only these warning lights pop up, so the bulbs are new. I put new bulbs instead of the old, so the previous owner modified and deleted these warning lights on the ECU for sure. But look at this. Oh yeah, I repaired the plug. You just need a WD-40. That's all. And I put grease in it, because don't forget the WD-40 is just a cleaner oil. So put grease as well. And I love this S, so I put the stock tail lights back, because I think the Eclipse has beautiful S only with the stock red tail lights. Yeah, I removed some unnecessary wires and I repaired many wires too inside. I will change the transmission and engine oil next time. I read many forums, many groups, and I collect which oil is the best for the transmission and for the engine, and many people use this Rotella oils, and it's interesting because a lot of people said this famous DSM cocktail contains MTL and MT90 oil. The ratio is 2:1, and they said it works well. Somebody just used MTL, somebody just used MT90. Somebody tell this it's a fucking bullshit, because why you should mix 2 type of oil? Why the red line make a product, make a oil like these 2 mixed? But I see this DSM cocktail on many sites, so I think it's official and it's real. And next time I will install these 2. Some new design, not just the maintenance. So step by step, better and better. That's all for today. That's all for this new episode. Thanks for watching, and I have to say a huge thank you for everybody who helped me for some information from the groups, from the Hungarian groups, from the local groups. I hope sometimes I can help you too. And just a few words, hogyha otthonról nézitek, és hát ez nagyon professzionális angolomat még valaki nem érti, ha szeretnétek magyar feliratot, hát így elég szar, mert most akkor nem magyarul beszélek és angol felirat, hanem most angol beszélek és magyarul kéne feliratozni. Tehát ugyanolyan plusz munka, meg nagy munka, de nézem az elemzés, hogy honnan nézitek, és most be akarok törni kicsit ide is, hát ha itt is kicsit nézetebb lenne, mert 5 év alatt akárhogy nézzük, nem nagy táborom jött, úgyhogy megpróbálkozok itt is. Viszont ha elég sokan írjátok, hogy legyen magyar felirat is, akkor szerintem a programmal teszek rá, találtam egy programot. Ha már ebben a remek AI világba tartunk. Úgyhogy nagyon köszönöm nektek is. Thanks for watching this race car almost on the road. I try to figure out what is the next problems. So take care, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share everything. See you in the next one. Peace.
Down with